Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today in this video, we will be learning how to cancel a DoorDash order. To cancel a DoorDash order, launch open the DoorDash application on your device first and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of DoorDash, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now, click on Orders on the top left, and if you've made any order with DoorDash, it will be listed on this page. Look for the Cancel Order button and tap on it right next to your order. If you don't see the Cancel Order option, the restaurant may already be preparing your food and cancellation might not be available. After you tap the Cancel Order button, follow through the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason, and once confirmed, your order will be cancelled. If you've already been charged, check the DoorDash's refund policy as refunds depend on the order status and timing. So that's how you easily cancel DoorDash order. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.